Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest videos. Thank you.
Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to download or navigate offline Google Map on Google Maps. To download offline Google Maps or navigate on the Google Maps without internet, you have to click on the Google Map app and now click on the right side for more options, and now you have to go to offline maps and click on the offline maps. Now you can here select your own map. Click on the select your own map and you can click whichever area you want to navigate in offline modes. Now click on and select the area and zoom it or zoom out it, zoom out and click on the download. Now after downloading it, it will be saved in your phone offline, and you can navigate that particular location offline without using internet. So like this you can use Google Map app offline or without using internet connection. Like this setting I have uploaded many other settings related to Google Maps. You can visit my